Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a VW Golf key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This entire process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes, getting your key fob back to full power quickly and easily. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key blade emerges. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out of its compartment, paying close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Before you go, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, test the key fob's functionality with your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.